Guys, it turns out my Airbnb is haunted and I had some strange activity last night. It's in here. Door number 2. So we asked the owner about some history about this place, and it used to be a big mansion, but we don't really know who lived here, and it was divided into apartments. Follow me into the bathroom where most of the activity was happening. First, we're here. So last night, when my mom, my dad, and me were in here, we experienced paranormal activity.
So last night, after we got here, I wanted to have a shower. And when I have a shower, a lot of my hair falls out, so I like to just get a little bit of toilet paper and pick it up and put it in the bin. So I put the toilet paper right here while I had my shower inside. And as I was having my shower, and this is something I have never ever experienced before or seen before, I witnessed this toilet paper slide really fast like that. So at first I thought the wind, but there is no wind. The window is closed. I just thought it was so weird. I've never seen anything slide like that before. And yeah, I got goosebumps, but that wasn't it. Then when I finished having my shower and I had the towel around me, this bathroom is connected to the main room, and I could feel footsteps, and I thought, oh, someone's coming into the bathroom and I'm here. So I had the towel around me and I popped my head over and there was no one there. And I continued to hear the footsteps as though someone is right out there. I was standing right here looking, and I could hear the creaking as well as the footsteps of what it sounded like someone walking here, stopping and moving back. And it went on for maybe like 2 minutes. And my heart was beating so fast, and I thought, oh, maybe someone in the next room is walking and I can hear them. But then when I went over to the kitchen, which is 2 rooms away, and tiled, I saw the rest of the family sitting there watching TV. And when I asked, did you guys go in by any chance into either of the rooms? They said, we've been sitting here the entire time. So I told Chris what happened. And I did get a little bit of eye rolling. I'm not sure that he believed me, and if anything, I'm more of a skeptic. But then it was his turn to have a shower, and this is what happened to him.
Okay, so I was the last to have a shower last night in this same shower that everybody else used. And while I was having a shower, I was facing the window, which is in that direction. And during my shower, I heard a thump behind me. It sounded like somebody bumped the wall. So I turned around, and the shower head that is removable had come out and fallen right behind me. I wasn't touching it, it wasn't anywhere near me, it just fell on its own. So I placed it back in there and continued to have a shower. I turned back around, and right here where I'm standing on the floor, I had my flip-flops for when I come out. And they were soaked in water as if somebody had come out of the shower and put them on. And they were nowhere near the shower. There was no splashing coming out of the shower. So they were dry when I put them down.
Was the floor wet?
The floor was not wet. There was no splash marks anywhere, and I was all the way back. As you can tell, the shower is quite large. I was right at the back of the shower. There was no water splashing out of the shower into the tile area.
Let's see how easy it is or hard it is to bump that shower head off.
So this is the shower head that fell out, and I can tap it. It doesn't come out. So to get it out, you have to lift it.
And even then that's tough.
Which is quite tough. And then it fell out, and it was like that.
Oh, like that.
It didn't completely fall out, but it was hanging out. Yeah. It made a thumping noise, which you can see it takes force by hand to create that sort of noise.
Okay. Now Oliver, he was also having a shower.
I experienced, like, see this light over there? I experienced it like glitching, like really quickly. I can't even do it.
So this is a mirror that you can turn on and off. Right?
Just like that.
And when Oliver was having a shower, the mirror was turning on and off on its own.
Yeah, like really quickly. Like I can't even do it that quickly. That's how powerful the spirit was.
Freaky.
Yeah.
And the thing is that it hasn't done that again for anyone while we've been here.
Yeah, it's only done it for me.
Now, the first person, we also noticed some activity elsewhere, but this is in the bathroom is where everybody felt something. Let's show you the other bits that we experienced.
So the other thing that we noticed is this picture is always crooked. When we straighten it and we leave and then come back, it's crooked again. So this is where I slept last night. In the middle of the night, we were woken up by a loud bang. My parents thought I bonked my head on the wall, but I didn't. And we all freaked out. So this morning, when we were talking about the ghost and my little brother was watching Peppa Pig, the TV started turning black. And that was weird, but freaky.
So we actually thought, oh, there's something wrong with the TV.
Yes.
But it's not done that throughout our whole stay here, and you can probably see the TV now, and it looks fine.
Yes.
It slowly began to pixelate, and the whole screen started to turn black.
Yeah.
Which was so odd.
And
it went on for ages too.
Yes.
It was very slow.
Yeah, and also another thing, when we turned it on and then turned it back on, the volume was like really loud, and you're supposed to be quiet here. Alright guys, so this is our experience, which turned out to be a haunted Airbnb.